do is look through the candies and decide on one that I would like to trace. And we're not gonna trace the whole candy bar, just what fits on the tracing paper. It'd be really boring to make it straight, so I'm gonna turn it to the side a little bit and then use my pencil. My hand's gonna hold it down. I'm gonna use my pencil to trace the items that I would like to be on my project. We definitely want the words, but if there are some pictures that you enjoy as well, you could include that. You do not need to include everything. Small details can be left out and we'll still be able to tell which candy it is. So you're gonna trace the inside and the outside of every letter so that we can read what candy you have selected. I'm gonna take the candy out from the tracing paper so you can see what I've traced. And there are some extra spaces on the edges. On the edges, I'm gonna draw some candy that is just spilled out. It can be more sweet tarts, I can draw those, and they're gonna be touching the edge of the paper. But I can also draw other candies, so I might draw like a little triangle there for a Hershey Kiss with the little wrapper on top. I might draw some little Tic Tacs. Just kind of make it fun and fill up that empty space that you have around on your paper. Sometimes I like to make those little swirly peppermints. My drawing is done. I'm gonna pick it up and turn it so that it is upside down. So this way I can read the word sweet tart. This way, the word is backwards. With the word backwards, I'm gonna put that down onto my first foam sheet, and I'm gonna take some tape, and I'm just taping on one side, wrapping it around, just very lightly taping it, so one piece on each side. And my next step is that I'm gonna use a pen, like what a teacher would grade papers with. Not a marker, not a pencil, but a pen. So I can see this is a different color, and I'm gonna begin to trace over top of the pencil lines so that I'm pushing my design down into my foam and leaving a mark on my foam. It's okay even to trace a little bit and then lift up the tracing paper and check underneath to see that you're getting those little marks onto the foam, that you know that it's going through, that you're pressing hard enough. You don't want to press so hard that you rip the tracing paper, but you do want to press down so that those lines will be able to be seen once we take the tracing paper off. Once you've traced everything onto your tracing paper, you're going to turn it so that you can see where the foam meets the tracing paper, and you're going to take the scissors and cut right between to cut off the tape. On the other side, you can just pull the tape off. Be very careful not to bend the foam because that's gonna leave a line. You can see the marks that the pen left into the foam. What we're gonna do now is trace right over those lines with our pen again and push those lines down even more so this time. Putting the pen directly onto the foam.